Hello everyone, welcome to GAN's Oracle DB tutorial. Here we'll learn how to log in the Oracle database in command line. So there is a two method we can log in with the Oracle database. So first is the opening the SQL Plus. So go to the, let me open the SQL Plus. So this is SQL Plus. When you are installing the Oracle database, it will install with that, and just open that. So it will ask you the enter your username password. So default username is /h sysdba. So I'm just logging with the sysdba. So I'm able to log in, and it will give you the what is the version of Oracle database is running over there. So Oracle database 11G Enterprise Edition released 11.2. So I'm 64-bit production. And second way to log in is open CMD, type SQL plus /h I'm able to log in with the command line. And now let me check with the this is connected or not. Select count of, let me check the session. Yeah, 37 sessions are there. These are my data files, and I am able to just write a query. So I'm already successfully logged in. So this is the way we can log in. Just method one, open SQL Plus and just log in with the /sysdba. And second method is open cmd command prompt and write SQL Plus /sysdba. So with that you can log in with the Oracle database. Thank you for watching.